activity in English. The topic of the speech is re-strengthening of the mind post-pandemic. The serial number of the students are number 1, Astha, number 2, Diksha, number 3, Ayushi, number 4, the number 5, Pratik. Let's start. Astha, number 1, Astha.
इंग्लिश से पहले तो आए थोड़ी देर बाद.
Astha.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning to our respected principals, sir, teachers, and dear classmates. I am Astha Pal of class 9th A, and today I am going to discuss my balanced perspective of COVID-19 and how to re-strengthen our mind post-pandemic. March 11, 2020, World Health Organization (WHO) declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic. The virus reached to all continents and over 200 countries. The virus was extremely contagious and resulted in 66 crore infection and 15.3 lakh deaths till now. COVID-19 pandemic has not only affected our school, businesses and economy, but it is also presenting unprecedented challenges for our career, physical and mental health. So what are the detrimental effects of COVID-19? The small SARS-CoV-2 has affected to many activities like sports. We cannot go out to play, shops, factories are closed, all the flights are shut, the school isn't reopening, we can not go out to watch films in movie theater, etc. It is not going to be easy for us to fight it with, but we have to, and we will re-strengthen our mind post-pandemic. We must stay physically active by doing yoga, exercise daily, overcome stress and anxiety. This is just temporary. We can overcome this by playing games, dancing, singing, playing some music songs, etc. Strengthening our mental activity. We can do this by doing yoga and listening to music. We should not stop socializing. We should do some video calls and we should play some online games with our friends and family. We should take care of our health and diet by eating adequate, healthy and homemade food. We should follow our schedule with discipline. We are not going to school. That does not mean that we will not follow our schedule. In COVID-19, there's some positive effect going on, like boom of new sectors like medical pharma, biotechnology, and e-commerce industries. Fuel consumption is reducing, CO2 emission is reducing, air quality is improving, and the wildlife is coming out too. But we have to learn to adapt to our new ecosystem. We have to stay positive and focused. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Very good, Astha.
Very
Diksha,
nice.
let's start your speech.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, respected principal, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Diksha, is here to present my views on the topic re-strengthening of mind post-pandemic. Pandemic COVID-19 has disturbed our life physically, economically, and mentally. There is a proverb, win mind, win the world. As we know that COVID-19 has become a source of unexpected stress and anxiety and difficult situation for every people. Children have been locked in their homes. They are unable to come outside for playing. Also leads to stress because COVID-19 they are to play, go outside and play. While playing, they will be fit. But after this COVID-19, they are not able to go outside, so they are not able to be fit. If they are not able to fit, diseases will surround them. Now, present situation is changing. Now, slowly, step by step, India lockdown has lifted in India. Now, there is need to change our mindset. Re-strengthening of mind during the post-pandemic is very important. Here, I am suggesting some points. Take a proper balanced diet. Please check that if it should contain nutrition food. Take sufficient rest. It will give some relaxation. Talking with friends and relatives with mobiles will boost up our energy because we are unable to go from one place to another place. At least by mobiles, we are connected with them It will make us happy. It is good for our health. And the most important, do meditation like pranayama. It will boost our energy. We can live safely by taking some precautions. Wash your hands with soap and water time to time and before eating. Maintain social distancing from others. Wear a face mask when you step out from house. Following the guidelines issued by our government officials regarding COVID-19 pandemic. At last, I want to say that COVID has realized that nothing is important as the health is. So care about your health. If you think positively, you will become strong. Thank you.
Very good, Diksha.
बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है.
Very good. Now, next number is Ayushi. Ayushi, let's start your speech.
Good morning, a few respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear classmates. I am Ayushi Yadav of class 9th P, and today I got the opportunities to express my views on the strengthening of the mind post-pandemic. As COVID-19 pandemic continues to spread in India and in the world, coronavirus, which is commonly called as COVID-19, is an infectious disease which causes illness in the respiratory system in the humans. To avoid coronavirus, we need to be healthy. To be healthy, regular exercise is while working and studying from home. And also eat healthy food. It means healthy diet must be good. That must have vegetables, fruits, grains, and healthy proteins. Because good healthy diet means improve your mind, develops your mind. We all have to be physically active to practice positive thinking, keep yourself in the positive health. To sleep well, the best way is to practice meditation daily. It will relieve us from tension and do yoga and exercise daily. And the last plan your priorities and tasks. Feel good about the decisions you make. Online classes, flying classes, gardening, singing, and etc. And these things you can do to reduce stress in time of COVID-19, a pandemic disease. A strong and healthy mind can help us overcome all these situations. Thank you.
Very good,
Very
Ayushi.
good.
Very
Very
good.
nice.
Very good. Next, Daksh, let's start your speech.
Yes, ma'am. Principal sir, respected teacher, and all my classmates. I am Daksh of class 9th A, present here to discuss my views on strengthening the mind post-pandemic. Since the middle of March, millions of students have been out of school because of COVID-19 lockdown. This has also affected more than 1 lakh students who could not complete their 12th board examination. Today, even after a long time of announcement and extension, it is difficult to predict when school will restart. Schooling is supposed to look after the emotional, social, and behavioral health of children, which is diametrically opposite to social distancing. From TV broadcasting of academic subject, videos, interaction, online theaters, and working with special interaction needs, it is all about embracing learning anywhere and anytime. It is apparent that technology evolution system, touch screen papers, digital smart boards have become the new reality. In new post-pandemic environment, what will be required is huge shift in mindset, both social and emotional. A new approach is needed to teach in this altered online paradigm. Unfortunately, as for the education of the rural area, student is concerned there inhabited the bottom of digital abyss. Government will have to think very seriously about the to allocating more money in the budget for the technical education in the schools. However, wherever students have been involved with online learning, their response have been very good things. This has strengthened the resolve of teachers across the country and has inspired them to work harder. Thank you.
Very good. Pratik, let's start your speech.
Good morning, respected principals and respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am Pratik Yadav from class 9th B, standing here for discuss some views on re-strengthening of the mind post-pandemic. As countries introduce measures to resistant movement as part of effort to reduce the number of people infected with COVID-19, more and more us to make huge changes in our daily routines. The new realities of working from home, temporary employment, homeschooling for children, and lack of physical contact with other family members, friends, and colleagues. Take time to get used to adopt a lifestyle change such as these are managing for fear of containing the virus and and worry about people close to us who are particularly vulnerable are challenging be particularly difficult for people and mental health conditions. Fortunately, these are a lot of things that we can do to look after our own mental health and to help others who may need some extra support and cares. Have a routines. Keep up with family routines as far as possible as make new ones. Get up and go bed at similar time every day. Keep up with personal hygiene. Eat healthy meals at regular times, exercise regularly, make time for doing things you enjoy. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. Very good.
हाँ लिंक नहीं खोल रही थी हम बच्चों को पेपर भेजना चेक कर लिया
Sneha. Sneha, let's start your speech in Hindi.
खोल रही है बच्चे
सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, सम्माननीय शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय भाइयों और बहनों। मैं स्नेहा सिंह, कक्षा 9 बा की छात्रा आप सभी के समक्ष इस महामारी के बाद अपने आप को मानसिक व शारीरिक रूप से कैसे मजबूत बनाएं, इस विषय पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। कोरोना वायरस को विश्व संस्था स्वास्थ्य संगठन ने महामारी घोषित कर दिया है। कोविड-19 का संक्रमण बहुत जल्दी से एक व्यक्ति से दूसरे व्यक्ति में पहुंचता है। कोरोना वायरस यह एक ऐसा संक्रमण है जिसमें व्यक्ति को सर्दी, जुकाम और सांस लेने जैसी समस्या हो सकती है। यदि किसी व्यक्ति को कोरोना हुआ है तो उससे हमें 2 गज की दूरी बनानी चाहिए। इसलिए इससे बचने के लिए सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करने की सलाह दी जाती है। सामाजिक दूरी बनाए रखने के लिए सरकार ने लॉकडाउन भी किया था। इस बीमारी के लक्षण की बात करें तो यह समस्या सर्दी, जुकाम या निमोनिया जैसा होता है। इस वायरस का संक्रमण होने के जुकाम, बुखार, सांस लेने में तकलीफ, नाक बहना और गले में खराश जैसी समस्या होती है। इसलिए इसे लेकर बहुत सावधानी बरती जा रही है। कोरोना से बचाव के लिए सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखना जरूरी है। हाथों को बार-बार धोना और सफाई से धोना बहुत जरूरी है। मास्क का इस्तेमाल करें और हाथ मिलाने की जगह नमस्ते की सलाह दी जाती है। घर में लाई किसी भी वस्तु या चीज को सैनिटाइजर उसका इस्तेमाल करें और इस कोरोना से हमें अपने आप को मानसिक व शारीरिक रूप से मजबूत करना है। सबसे पहले हमें अपने आप को मानसिक रूप से मजबूत करने के लिए हमें योगा करनी चाहिए, अपने मन को शांत रखना चाहिए और शारीरिक रूप से मजबूत करने के लिए हमें टहलना चाहिए और धन्यवाद।
ठीक है, वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छे।
Good attempt, Sneha. Now, Akansha, switch on your camera first and then start your speech in Hindi.
स्नेहा का कैमरा भी ऑफ था उस समय।
आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय भाइयों और बहनों, मैं आकांक्षा जैन, कक्षा 9 की छात्रा इस महामारी के समय शारीरिक व आर्थिक रूप से कैसे बच सकते हैं, इसके बारे में अपने कुछ वाक्य प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ।
Please on your camera. Your camera is off.
Akansha, switch on your camera, बच्चे।
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Now start. Okay. You will start your speech.
आदरणीय प्रचार महोदय, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय भाइयों और बहनों, मैं आकांक्षा जैन कक्षा 9 की छात्रा इस महामारी के समय कैसे शारीरिक व आर्थिक रूप से कैसे बच सकते हैं, इसके बारे में अपने कुछ वाक्य प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ।
आकांक्षा, आपका माइक बंद है बच्ची।
माइक ऑन करके बोलो।
करो बच्ची। नेटवर्क इशू है बच्चे।
आज हम
क्लास का है?
मैम।
यस
मैम, मैं वीडियो ऑफ करके बोल सकती हूँ?
बिल्कुल, बोलो। आप वीडियो ऑफ कर लो, बोलो।
सुप्रभात। आदरणीय प्रचार महोदय, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय भाइयों और बहनों, मैं आकांक्षा जैन कक्षा 9 की छात्रा इस महामारी के साथ अपने आप को कैसे शारीरिक व आर्थिक रूप से मजबूत बनाएं, इसके बारे में कुछ वाक्य प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। आज हम महामारी के समय में ही चल रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम सभी को ज्ञात है कि इस महामारी पर काबू नहीं पाया जा सका, क्योंकि किसी प्रकार की कोई वैक्सीन तैयार नहीं हो पाई है। परंतु हो सकता है यह महामारी एक लंबे समय तक चले। इसके रहते हमें बड़ी बड़ी सतर्कता के साथ इस कोविड काल को भी हम अपनी सूझबूझ के साथ इसके साथ रहने की आदत डाल सकते हैं। निश्चित तौर पर भारतीय तथा कई देश के वैज्ञानिक इसकी वैक्सीन बनाने में लगे हुए हैं, परंतु जब तक ऐसा नहीं होता, हमको पूर्ण रूप से सावधानी अर्थात मास्क तथा दस्ताने व सैनिटाइजर का उपयोग करते हुए इसको लड़ने में मदद कर सकते हैं तथा अपनी गतिविधियों को मजबूती के साथ शुरू कर सकते हैं। कसरत और एकाग्रता के माध्यम से हम कोरोना से लड़ सकते हैं। हमें अपने आप को मानसिक रूप से मजबूत बनाना होगा। कोरोना काल में हर किसी के लिए समस्या है, परंतु इसी को हमें अवसर में बदलते में मदद करना है। वो जागरूक होकर ही हो सकता है। अतः हम हर किसी को जागरूक करें कि कोविड से डरने की नहीं बल्कि सतर्कता पूर्वक उससे लड़ने की आवश्यकता है, अर्थात सावधानी पूर्वक बड़ी साफ सफाई के साथ अपने दैनिक कार्यों को करने की आवश्यकता है। अंत में दूरी मास्क है जरूरी। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बढ़िया बच्चे, बहुत बढ़िया। ओम प्रकाश। ओम प्रकाश, are you ready, Om Prakash?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's start your speech.
Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and classes. I am Om Bhagat, class 9. Today I am discussing topic restricting